Happy International Women's Day. I invite you to emerge from your decoration and break out of your box. We've always been woven into the tapestry that is creation. And I pray we all just shake all the conditioning and reunite with our mother. I'm going to read aloud a poem by Mahmoud Darwish, Sonnet 3. Of night, I love the beginning, when you two come together hand in hand and bit by bit embrace me one section at a time, then in flight take me higher. Stay, my friends. Don't hurry and sleep on each of my sides like the wings of a tired swallow. Both your silks are hot, but the flute should be patient and polish a sonnet. When you two descend on me as a lovely mystery, like a meaning on the verge of nakedness, incapable of arrival in a long waiting in front of speech, chooses me as a threshold. Of poetry, I love the spontaneity of prose and the hidden image without a moon for rhetoric. When you walk barefoot, rhyme abandons copulating speech, and meter breaks in the climax of experience. A bit of night near you is enough for me to get out of my Babylon and into my essence, my other. No garden for me within me, and all you view is you, and what overflows from you is I, the free and kind. When 1,000 goddesses gather, the divine feminine will rebirth through their combined energies.